Hello YouTubers, I'm back with another torch review. I've not long just got this one. Most of you probably already know what this is. This is the Ultrafire Cree Q5. I'm not going to do so much as a review on this torch because there's a lot of reviews already out there and probably a lot better than I can do. So I'll just tell you the basics on it. It's got a 3-watt Cree LED. It's meant to run on 3.7 volt lithium ion batteries. The size is 14,500 or 14500. It is 350 lumens, and it's what I use now as my new EDC. I'll just size comparison test for you. If I can get this in my pocket. This is my EDC knife, so it's roughly about the same size as your basic standard Swiss Army knife. So it's not the smallest in the world. It runs with either what I just said, the 3.7 volt, or which is the equivalent to 1 AA. And at this precise moment in time I have a Duracell in the back. You just unscrew this cap here. Can't do it with one hand. You unscrew that cap there anyway, it's coming off. I don't really want to take it off because, like I said, there's thousands of reviews on these. And you drop 1 AA in the back there, but I've got a 1.2 volt rechargeable Duracell in there. 3.7 volt is meant to make it about 10 times brighter than it is, and it's pretty bright with this Duracell at this precise moment in time. It is zoomable, so you can zoom it out and zoom it in. I think it goes up to about 200 meters. It's a pretty snazzy little torch, and the reason why I reckon it's pretty snazzy is because it is pretty well made. And when I say pretty well made, I mean pretty well made for £1.74, and that is with postage and package. £1.74. And I'm that impressed with this little torch, I've just ordered another 2 to drop in my bug out bag. And you've got 3 settings on it. You've got high, you've got strobe, then you've got high, then you have medium or low, then you have strobe. I like it because you don't have to press the button all the way in. So you've got high, medium, strobe, and off. And like, it's daylight outside, and you can see that this 1.2 volt Duracell is pretty bright in it, and it's meant to be 10 times brighter with the 3.7, which I've just ordered. You've got your zoom, and there's 4. I just ordered 4 3.7 volt, and it come to £3.99. So it's £1 a battery, and that's with postage. I don't like the fact that this clip has 2 Allen keys in it. On the dearer torches you obviously get one of these that comes off here, and you can turn it around so you can put it on a cap and you can wear it that way, or on your shoulder, or you can turn it around this way and put it in your pocket. But I just, I'm just going to use and abuse this little torch because at £1.74, well, that's what it's made for. But I'm just really surprised on how well it is made. I don't understand how they can make money off of this. So the next clip you will see will be the usual. It will be in a dark place. So I'm going to fast forward time 5 hours, and I will see you then. Right, now we're going to do the second part of the video. As you can see, it's not quite dark outside, but we're going to go out into the back garden and we're just going to test what the little Cree Ultrafire does. Remember, it's only £1.74. postage and package. Can't beat that. It's quite solid. I like the zoom on it. It's a snug fit. You know, it's not cheaply made. You see, you have to put a bit of pressure on it. It's got a nice suction on it when it actually comes in and out. So we're going to test this now in the back garden. Remember, this only has the 1.2 volt Duracell. When I get the 3.7 volt, I'm going to do another review on it because it's meant to be a lot brighter. So we're going to just test this out in the back garden right now. So if you come with me, open the door. Let's see what we can. 15 yards. That's 15 yards. If we bring it back in on full, it lights up the whole back garden. It's got to be 15 yards wide. There we go. Low. Zoom it in. Still touches the shed quite easy. Goes out to about 50 yards. Strobe. Back on full. It's easily 100 yards. Don't know if you can see that or not. Lights up the backstop I've got there for the slug gun. You can see the Cree LED. Now if this thing's meant to be like 10 times brighter on the 3.7, it's going to be bright. Bit. Is that about 25 yards?
Yeah.
Easy. Can you see that tree over there? Maybe 30 yards. Easy. That's on low. It's on low. And strobe. Okay. So as you can see, for £1.74, this is pretty damn good. Like I said, it's pretty solid made. Yeah, it hasn't got the best clips on it in the world. It's not the best made in the world, but if we turn the light off in here, we go high, you know, that's pretty good. Low. That's fine for what I need in the house. Really, if I get the 3.7 volt, it's going to be a bit high for what I want. And then you zoom in, then you get the Cree LED, which really, I mean, like, if we had a backstop in the field there, it would have reached actually out to about 200 yards. Strobe, and then high. It's very powerful. Yeah, you get the, you can see the actual circle, which you wouldn't see on a really high class torch, but for £1.74, I mean, come on, look. I quite believe this little torch, I quite believe it is 350 lumens. So there we have it. the Q5 Ultrafire LED. Superb little torch. I got this from Amazon. Like I said, £1.74, postage and package. I actually like this little torch so much that I got an extra 2 to put in my bug out bag. And I might be giving one away on a 200 subscriber giveaway. I know it's not much of a prize, but it's a good little torch. So yeah, check it out. Stay safe.